So we already remove this cover. So just remove all the nuts here, small screw, and take out this one. Take out this cover. This is basically fan cover. You can see here is the fan. Now this is one of the most important part. You can see here we have magnetron. Okay, this is the magnetron and this is the transformer. So we disconnect these two terminal, this yellow and green. Make sure that while disconnecting it should not touch to the metal part. Okay, so after that remove four screw, number one, number two, number three, and number four, and remove the magnetron. After removing this magnetron, you have to be check with the same type with this new one. You can see EEV MG5436. This is the type of magnetron. You can check the same number EEV MG5436. Okay, this is the same magnetron because this is X band radar. Okay, so after this now new one now have lux. So you have to put the lux here also, and after that remove the first these two cables. After that remove this four screw and remove the magnetron and replace the magnetron. So we have to take care while replacing this magnetron. This cable should not touch to the metal part, and you have to wear the proper gloves. Okay, so now I am removing these two screw first. Okay, removing these two screw. After that removing four, and I will replace the magnetron. Okay.